Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out. On the application of NFL, we go to settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, we will search about NFL and you can click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store and you can search about the application of NFL, and here you can update your app if you find update in this blue sign. So please don't forget